Welcome to Empowerment Technologies subject.
What's up, learners? So, our new topic is about HTML. HTML is a basic structure o ito ang ginagamit sa pagbuo ng isang website. Dahil sa pandemya, ang Facebook website ang madalas na ginagamit natin sa pakikipag-communicate sa ating mga guro, classmates, friends, at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Pero, alam nyo ba kung papaano binubuo ang Facebook page? HTML is the key element to create a Facebook page. So kung nahuhumaling tayo sa social media, most especially ang Facebook, maganda na maintindihan natin kung papaano ito binubuo. Magkaroon tayo kahit na konting kaalaman sa likod ng kamangha-manghang mga websites or the back-end of website. Katulad nito, isang website patungkol sa iba't ibang uri ng pagkain. We have different types of websites: educational website, engineering website, entertainment website, social media website, wellness website, at marami pang iba sa internet. Here are the following codes or program on how to build a website. Kaya ba? But don't worry, we will start on a basic structure of web page. Our objectives on this topic: first, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to define HTML, determine the common tags and elements of HTML, and create the basic structure of HTML. So let's start our lesson. So what is HTML? What is HTML? What is HTML? What is HTML? HTML is a language for describing web page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a markup language. A markup language is a set of markup tags. The tags describe document content. HTML documents contain HTML tags and plain text. HTML documents are also called web pages. So, this is an example of HTML, basic structure. So, let's understand the following declaration or the following codes or commands. So, first line, we have the doc type declaration that defines the document type. The doc type declaration helps the browser to display web page correctly. Sinasabi niya sa computer na once i-preview mo ako, automatic i-display niya ang page gamit ang isang browser. So hindi siya pupunta sa Word or Excel or PowerPoint para doon niya i-display. So because of this command, inuutusan niya na ang kanyang gagawin ay i-display niya ang page gamit ang isang particular na browser. The text between HTML and the /HTML describe the web page. So meaning to say, the next command HTML and /HTML or command inside the HTML code will visible in the particular page. Pag inopen na ng isang browser, like for example ang Google Chrome, sa loob ng HTML na command, ipapakita niya kung ano yung content o laman ng isang web page. So that is the command. So sa loob ng HTML tag, yun yung makikita mo sa isang particular na website o web page. So next is the text between body and the body tags. So the body tag is the visible page content. Sabi nga natin kanina. So doon sa loob ng HTML, dinidescribe niya or kinocommand niya na itong content na ito na sa loob na ito ay isang klase ng isang web page. Automatic, pag nirun mo yung iyong code, ililid niya sa isang particular na browser para i-display niya ng isang page o ng web page. So our next element is the text between h1 and the /h1. So h1 tag or command is displayed as heading. Our common knowledge or understanding about the heading usually yung title. So, actually, related sila. So, the text between P and the slash P is displayed as paragraph. The command or tag P, it refers to the content of the web page, most especially on the paragraph part of the content. So, let's talk about HTML tags. So, sabi kanina dun sa introduction, so HTML is a markup language or markup tags, okay, are usually called HTML tags. HTML tags are keywords or tag names surrounded by angle brackets like HTML. So, ito nakikita ninyong less than or greater than symbol is also known as a angle brackets. HTML tags normally come in pairs. Okay, like for example itong B tag. So, bawat tag dapat nasa loob siya ng dalawang angle. Okay, the first tag in a pair is the start tag and the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag with a forward slash or slash before the tag name. Start and end tags are also called opening tags and closing tags. HTML elements. HTML tags and HTML elements are often used to describe the same thing. So, but strictly speaking, an HTML element is everything between the start tag and the end tag, including the tags. So, HTML element, okay, we have a P tag. So, the P tag starts with the start tag or the opening tag, and then in between, okay, there is a paragraph. When you run to the particular browser, ito yung makikita nating content, yung this is a paragraph. Tapos, i-close mo siya with the closing tag, which is kailangan mayroon siyang slash and then yung P tag. So, laging pair yan siya ha. Okay, by the way, the P tag means paragraph command, or bawat content na gusto nating i-display sa isang webpage, mayroon siyang particular na tag. Okay? So, subukan natin gawin ang isang simpleng code na ito na nakita natin. So, ang una natin gawin ay mag-download ng isang HTML editor. Okay, let's download the HTML editor. So, pwede kayong pumili kung ano yung specific na ginagamit ninyo. Usually, yung iba ay nakapag-avail ng Cherry Mobile. So, usually, yung iba ay nakapag-avail ng Cherry Mobile tablet. Okay, so try nyo lang kung ano yung compatible HTML editor. So, like for example, as general lang ang search. So, HTML editor. So, yan, hanap lang tayo. Okay, so pwede ito. So, I will download the Sublime Text HTML editor. So, download ko lang yan. Pili lang ako, Sublime Text for Windows. Close. Yan. After that, okay, download. Okay, close na lang yan. So, yan. So, buksan ko lang yung download folder. So, ito. Okay, gawin ko ngayon, install ko siya. Okay, right click, open. Okay. Click yes. Yan, installing na siya. So, i-next mo lang. So, madali lang mag-install. Okay, kasi meron ako yung, kanina kasi meron akong na-install na editor niya. Yan, inulit ko lang. So, okay, ignore lang natin. Okay, nakapag-install na po kasi ako class kanina. So, inulit ko lang ang process. So, click finish. So, yan. So, after that, punta kayo dun sa program file nyo. And then, ito na po yung in-install kong HTML editor, which is Sublime Text. So, yan. Click ko lang yan. Yan na siya.
Okay, try natin
gawin itong command na ito. So, gayahin lang natin itong command na ito sa loob ng box. So, okay, so the angle bracket, exclamation point, the doc type, HTML, isa sa pinaka-importanteng element is yung angle bracket. So sa bawat tags or bawat command, kinakailangan nasa loob siya ng angle brackets. So next command or next line is the HTML. So ito yung magsisilbing command o mag-utos sa computer o itong file na ito ay isang klase ng HTML. So ang technique dyan, laging pair dapat ang pag-type ng particular na command or tags. So the doctype, HTML, and the HTML are tags in HTML. So inside the HTML, we have body tag. So we have the opening tag for body. So let's create a end tag for body. Nagkakaiba lang siya dahil mayroon siyang slash. So inside the body, mayroon tayong H1 tag or the header. So yung content natin is your, my, first, heading. So followed by the closing tag of H1 or heading tag. Okay, so yung HTML, meron siyang pair. Yung body tag, meron siyang pair. Si H1, meron siyang pair. So next command is the paragraph tag. So inside the bracket, we have P tag, and then the display content, my first paragraph. So followed by the closing tag of P tag. So that's it. So for now, ito lang muna yung ating and commands or codes sa ating pinaka-simple na HTML page. So after this, so we have to save. Okay, we need to save. So save. Okay, click file and then save as. Okay, advice ko lang na mag-create tayo ng folder for this particular topic, which is HTML. So halimbawa, HTML activity. And then, so nakapag-create na tayo ng ating folder for HTML activity. So time naman para mag-create ng file name para sa ating HTML file. So for now, so lagyan muna natin ng activity1.html. So take note class, importante ang kanyang extension file name. So itong activity1 ay ang pangalan ng ating activity. So ito lang siya, act1. Tapos period, and then the file extension which is HTML. So wag nyo siyang kalilimutan naglagyan ng HTML dahil pag iba ang kanyang file extension, maaaring error or mali or hindi mag-display ang inyong page. So click save. So yan. So nung na-save natin siya, nakikita natin na lahat ng tags ay naka-highlights. So naka-red na ito ay yung mga commands or tags ng HTML. Ito namang naka-white, ito yung ina-expect natin na mag-display or na makita natin sa ating page o sa isang pag-display na ng browser. Okay, try natin i-run or i-display itong ating first activity. So i-hide lang natin yan. Okay. So open natin yung kinreate natin folder which is HTML activity. So yan. Ito yung file na galing dito. So, ito yung sinave natin kanina. So, natandaan nyo ba paano mag-save? So, file, and save as. So, kinakailangan, bakit save as siya? So, dahil wala pa tayong file name na kinreate. So, later on, na mag-a-add pa tayo ng iba pang content ng ating page na ito. So, ang kinakailangan na lamang natin gawin ay i-click na lamang ang command na save. So, save. Yan. Save na lang. Dahil meron na tayong file name. After that, na magkaroon ng another changes, so, click na lang yung save. Dahil meron na tayong file 1.html. So, ngayon, try natin ito display. Anong in-expect natin? So, click na natin yan. So, by the way, itong browser na ito ay Microsoft Edge browser. Maraming klaseng browser has. Microsoft browser. Si Google Chrome. Pinaka-famous o pinaka-common na browser. Mozilla Firefox. So ngayon, excited na akong makita ang ating display output. So click ko lang yan. So yan. So ito na po. Okay, so you're my first heading. Tingnan natin ang ating command na. Okay, so ang dami nating ginawa, tinype, pero ito lang yung nag-display. So try to analyze, understand kung paano gumagalaw o ginagamit itong mga tags or command dito sa HTML. So we have the doctype. So this command declare that this kind of file is intended for HTML or web page file. So the next command is, pag kinlik natin siya, na-highlight niya itong dalawa. So ibig sabihin, correct pair siya. So ito ang technique natin, double click niyo yan. So ito, HTML command, siya yung nagko-command or nagde-direct doon sa browser para i-open niya ang mga command na to. Next command is the body. So inside the body, okay, parang kung imagine natin katawan natin, so ano in-expect mo sa katawan mo? Dapat may kamay, may mata. So yan. So sa ano naman, sa website, dapat meron siyang text, picture. So later on, okay, mag-a-add tayo ng picture. So for now, pure text lang.